Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AAF exports into Premiere Pro for offline Conform, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Adobe Premiere Pro. Create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the media page within your project. Import your original video files into the project panel. Make sure all media files are properly linked. Now, go to the File menu. Select the option labeled Import. Locate your AAF export file on your computer. Select the AAF file and click Open. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see several options. Choose the option that best suits your workflow. For most cases, select Consolidate to gather all necessary media. Ensure that the Import Sequence checkbox is checked. Click OK to import the AAF file. Once the AAF is imported, check the project panel. You should see the imported sequence there. Open the sequence by double-clicking on it. Review the timeline and ensure everything appears correct. If any media files are missing, check the links in the project panel. To relink missing media, right-click on the offline clips. Choose the Link Media option from the context menu. Navigate to the location of the original media files. Select the correct files and click OK. Premiere Pro will relink the media to the timeline. Now, check for any discrepancies in the timeline. Play back the sequence to ensure everything is in sync. If you notice any issues, adjust the timeline as needed. Once everything looks good, save your project. You are now ready to continue your editing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.